Hello techies. In the upcoming sessions, we are going to learn how to work with SharePoint actions in Power Automate Desktop, which is right now in the preview state. SharePoint is a browser-based app that you connect through web browser to support collaboration and content management system. By using SharePoint, we can manage documents, social activities, data, and information. SharePoint allows groups to set up a centralized, password protected space for document sharing. Documents can be shared, downloaded, and edited, then uploaded for continuous sharing. SharePoint group of actions allows the utilization of the SharePoint connector from within the desktop flows, alleviating the need to create a cloud flow in order to use its actions. Alright, you may ask, why should I use SharePoint actions inside the desktop flow instead of using cloud flows? Users can still combine SharePoint actions with a flow built with the Power Automate desktop action. However, SharePoint actions inside the desktop flows improve the performance and their ease of use for users that need loop between cloud and desktop flows. Alright, now we'll see what are the list of SharePoint actions that we have which are right now in the preview state. There you can see under my action panel we are having SharePoint which is right now in the preview state. There you can see a lot of actions to work with the SharePoint documents. One is update file, delete file, get file content using path, create file, list to folder, get file metadata using path, get folder metadata using path. These are all the SharePoint actions which we are going to learn in the upcoming sessions. During this SharePoint preview, you need an attended RPA license. Without attended RPA license, you can't see this SharePoint actions inside your action panel. Now, to work with these SharePoint actions, you need RPA license with attended bots.